As the cold season sets in, it's easy to assume that cats, with their thick fur, can handle chilly temperatures on their own. But the truth is, cats are just as vulnerable to the cold as we are, sometimes even more so. Here are some common cold weather mistakes cat owners make, and how to avoid them to keep your feline cozy, healthy, and happy. Some owners overlook where their cats sleep. Cats love warmth, and during winter, they seek out cozy corners or sunny spots. Placing their bed near a drafty window or cold floor can make them uncomfortable. Instead, give them a soft, insulated bed in a warm, draft-free area, perhaps near a radiator or under a blanket. A heated cat bed is a safe and effective way to keep your feline warm during freezing weather. This heat bed uses a thermostatic control that warms only when your cat is lying in it, preventing overheating. It mimics your cat's natural body temperature, offering gentle, consistent warmth without risk or discomfort. Placing a thermostatically controlled heat bed in a cozy, draft-free corner helps protect your cat from the chill. Some owners overfeed cats in winter, assuming they need extra calories for warmth. While outdoor cats may burn more energy staying warm, indoor cats usually do not. Overfeeding can quickly lead to obesity. Conversely, underfeeding indoor cats may deprive them of the energy necessary for normal daily activity. Adjust portions carefully based on activity level and environment. When it's cold, cats often drink less water, which can increase the risk of dehydration and urinary tract problems. Make sure their water bowl is always full and ensure it remains unfrozen. Many cats prefer running water, so a cat fountain can encourage better hydration. Keeping water easily accessible and appealing helps promote consistent drinking habits. Some owners allow their cats outside during winter, assuming they can handle the cold. However, low temperatures, ice, and snow can make outdoor environments hazardous, increasing the risk of slips and falls. Limiting outdoor time during extreme cold and closely supervising their activities can help keep cats safe. High indoor heating can lead to dry, flaky skin in cats. During winter, indoor heating systems reduce humidity, which can dry out a cat's skin and coat, causing irritation and itchiness. Using a humidifier helps maintain optimal humidity levels, reducing dryness and supporting a healthy coat. Regular monitoring of indoor humidity ensures your cat stays comfortable and well-groomed throughout the colder months. This simple adjustment can make a noticeable difference in your cat's overall comfort and skin health. During colder months, cats' fur can become more prone to matting due to reduced shedding and indoor heating. Skipping regular brushing can lead to tangles, skin irritation, and discomfort. Maintaining a consistent grooming routine helps distribute natural oils and keeps the coat healthy. It also ensures your cat stays comfortable throughout the winter. The automatic self-groomer features a slicker brush with a self-cleaning mechanism that effortlessly removes loose hair as your cat passes through. This provides consistent grooming, helping to reduce hairball formation and prevent matting. By keeping your cat's coat well maintained, it supports comfort and overall health during the colder months. Bathing cats in winter can be risky if not done carefully. Cold temperatures make it easy for a cat to become chilled, which can lead to discomfort or illness. If a bath is necessary, always use lukewarm water and a gentle cat-safe shampoo. Moon Cat Bath Set offer a convenient way to keep cats clean during winter. These no-rinse shampoos allow light cleaning without exposing cats to cold water, reducing the risk of chilling or discomfort. Simply apply, massage, and gently dry your cat in a warm environment. Using such products can help maintain hygiene safely, while keeping your cat comfortable throughout the colder months. Cats are often less active during winter, and ignoring their exercise needs can lead to weight gain, boredom, and stress. Providing indoor playtime with toys, climbing structures, or interactive games helps keep cats physically active. It also keeps them mentally stimulated, supporting their overall health and well-being throughout the colder months. Skipping regular vet checkups during winter can put cats at risk, especially those with chronic conditions like arthritis, kidney, or respiratory problems. Cold weather can worsen existing health problems, making early detection and preventive care crucial. Scheduling seasonal vet visits ensures your cat stays healthy, comfortable, and protected throughout the colder months. By avoiding these common winter mistakes, you will keep your cat safe, comfortable, and healthy throughout the colder months.